Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss very important topic is Neet Biology MCQs 2025 part 1st. The unit of evolutionary change is correct option is A, population. In photosynthesis the oxygen release come from correct option is B, H2O. The universal donor blood group is correct option is D, O. O blood group is the universal donor. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. Which hormone is known as the anti-abortion hormone in humans? Correct option is B, progesterone. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of prokaryotic cells? Correct option is D, membrane bound organelles. Which of the following is not an example of homologous organ? Correct option is B, wings of insect and bird. The genetic code is said to be degenerate because correct option is B, multiple codon code for a single amino acid. In a human male, spermatogenesis is initiated at the time of correct option is C, puberty. Which of the following is a C4 plant? Correct option is C, maize. Which law of Mendel is universally accepted without any exception? Correct option is B, law of segregation. Which of the following structures prevents the big flow of blood into the atria when ventricles contract? Correct option is D, atrioventricular valves. The product of anaerobic respiration in yeast is correct option is C, ethanol. The scientific name of the pea is correct option is A, Pasium sativum. And DNA, adenine pairs with correct option is B, thymine. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in human? Correct option is A, appendix. The function of oxytocin is correct option is B, stimulate milk ejection. The first stable product of C3 cycle in photosynthesis is correct option is A, phosphoglyceric acid. The universal donor blood group is correct option is D, O. O blood group is universal donor. Which of the following vitamin deficiencies causes night blindness? Correct option is A, vitamin A. Which of the following is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda? Correct option is B. Peripatus. The largest phylum of the animal kingdom is. Correct option is C. Arthropoda. Which of the following is an example of a fossil fuel? Correct option is C. Petrol. Which enzyme converts proteins into peptides in stomach? Correct option is B. Pepsin. A gene is a segment of. Correct option is B. DNA. Which part of the nephron is mainly responsible for the filtration of blood? Correct option is C. Bumin capsule. Double fertilization is a characteristic feature of. Correct option is C. Angiosperm. The main excretory product of an amniotic organism is. Correct option is B. Ammonia. Thank you for watching my videos.